Boy Curry back out with the
I gotta
454.
clean that bitch up.
Scat Pack boy. Whoa. Alright, that's how we ride. We came out today Sunday. Y'all already know we come out, boy. We bless the streets, man. Bless the streets. Hauling out through traffic. Shit. Hey man. Y'all put down low, man, or y'all want to come up next, man. Shit. I know our next stop gonna be either Lauderdale or Miami, you know what I'm saying? We're in Palm Beach right now. Coming through they goddamn street, you know what I'm saying? Tearing the streets up on a good Sunday. Ooh. Scat Pack boys, man. Yeah, man. We got the Motor Man G Blight, you know what I'm saying? Motor Man. We got Slit Rick over there. Ooh. Got my boy Big J. Boy Fresh Mike. Boy Smoke. My boy Curry, you know what I'm saying? You know? Ooh, Scat Pack. It's your boy Trill, you know what I'm saying? Scat Pack Trill, you know what I'm saying? I'm the operator of this show, you know what I'm saying? This channel. Tap in, hit that like and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Like and subscribe, share this. Let us know where y'all want us to come next, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, our next stop gonna be either Lauderdale or Miami. You know what I'm saying? Go tell they see the streets up, you know what I'm saying? Join them boys, you know what I'm saying? Hey, tap in, log in, like and subscribe. Ooh.